Hey, it's Jill from Chemo Dancer. Today I want to talk to you about Chemo Brain, what it is, and how you can take steps to avoid it. So just for a quick definition, it's thinking and memory issues. You might have a forgetfulness, a fogginess, you can't remember names. You might have a trouble with short-term memory or multitasking. Even fatigue has been associated with it. And what you can do to stop it are some tips and tricks that you might try. And we'll talk about that in a moment. When I was told that I had breast cancer, I went to my breast cancer advocacy group and I sat around a group of women and I asked the group, how many of you have chemo brain? And not surprisingly, everybody in the group said that they had some form of chemo brain, but one person did not. And that was the one I focused on. And I asked her, what did you do differently? I took a photography class. So I went, note to self, Jill, when you're going through chemo, start to use your right brain. And I've been checking this out subsequently with my doctors, with my physical therapist, to see what's this about? Am I right? Am I onto something here? They basically validated all of my thoughts. And you can look it up online, but it's called neuroplasticity or brain plasticity. So chemo is going to go after all the bad things you want to get rid of, all of the cancer cells. Yes, hooray. But it's also going to kill off the good things. So what you need to do is to work on your right brain. And if it's poetry, if it's writing poetry, if it's doing something artistic that you haven't done, if you want to get back to painting, if you do exercise, maybe learn new exercise techniques, but really, really get your right brain working. I did, and I don't have chemo brain, and that's the only thing I did differently.